Today we're at Barnes & Noble Booksellers up here in Westchester, Ohio. Go in there and check it out. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. We do these kind of things all the time. One thing awesome about Barnes & Noble here is they have all kinds of other stuff too. Here's a fun game me and Jess play called Villainous. It's a fun Disney game. Really curious about this one here. Looks like the Avengers version. Oh yeah. As you can see, they got all kinds of games. Clue, Rick and Morty, Monopoly. Oh my goodness. My brother would like that. One thing I was curious to look at here is some of the strategy games they got here. I love strategy. I'm a Stratego nut. I'm also a big comic book fan, so we're going to check those out and see what they got back there. Can you pull the sword from the stone? I'll tell you what, Barnes & Noble has a little bit of everything. Got a bunch of Lego sets here. What I'm curious is, they have these little Disney minifigure Legos. Jessica's at the dentist right now. That's part of the reason why I'm over here at Barnes & Noble. So I thought I'd get her a couple of these. Little prize for her. Hopefully we get these two right here. Also have a bunch of DVDs for sale. One thing I'll say about the DVDs though, they are way overpriced. I just saw a Blu-ray for like $35. I'm not going to spend that kind of money on a Blu-ray when I can get the same one at Walmart for $15. And if you come all the way to the back here, they have a Starbucks. About to partake in this. I need me some coffee. Okay, so Starbucks. Just a regular coffee. Pretty good. Oh, that's good. Got my Star Wars mask from Disney World. I am going to buy these for Jess. Okay, well I found my section. Graphic novels. You got a bunch of good choices here. I gotta say though, they're a little pricey. I feel like I could get, like I was looking at this, just because that's awesome. I feel like I could get that on Amazon though for half the price. Here's a cult classic. Labyrinth. It's a good movie. I wanted to point out, as you come out the back here, they got some restaurants. Never been back here before. Nice little strip mall area. But all of these stores are closed, and I don't know if I'd really shop in any of them. I got a My Salon, a nails place. I don't know. It's nice back here. Nobody's back here. It is Sunday morning, so that could be part of the reason. One thing I do want to point out is that if you're up here around Westchester, Ohio, there is a lot of cool things to do here. There's all kinds of good restaurants. Right here, we have a place called the Main Event Entertainment. I'm not sure what all they have in there. I do know they have a bowling alley and some other stuff. And if you see the gate up here, the big fence here, that's a Top Golf. It's become pretty popular around here. That's one nice thing. You can come here all year long, rain or shine. Hit you some golf balls. I hear it's pretty fun. I'm going to come up here and try it sometime. Not today. Don't have the time for it, but yeah, all kinds of stuff to do up here. Right across from Top Golf here, one of the restaurants they got out here that I've heard nothing but good things about is Smokey Bones Bar and Fire Grill. I'm going to try one of their pulled pork sandwiches. I hear they're pretty good. Well, we're back home. Jess got her filling. Does it hurt?
No.
She's a little Novocained up. So we wanted to show you the little minifigures that we got, the Disney minifigures. We did end up getting many. Pretty cool. And we got Chip and Dale. Both of them. Pretty cool. You like them?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so nothing too exciting today. I will say that Smokey Bones pulled pork sandwich, that was absolutely delicious. Jess had a couple pieces of it. She couldn't really eat too much. What'd you think?
It's good.
It's delicious. So I ended up getting the pulled pork sandwich and the coleslaw. The coleslaw is an award-winning coleslaw, so I had to try it. Not a huge fan of coleslaw, but this one was absolutely delicious. Real creamy, real good. Um, as far as Barnes and Noble goes, it's a nice place. One thing I didn't like about it is it seems like it's way overpriced. I know I said earlier in the video that a lot of the, like, especially like the movies, any movie that I saw there, you could get probably for half that price at like Walmart or Target or somewhere else. Um, the graphic novels that they have, we have an Ollie's. I don't know if anybody has an Ollie's near them, but if you like graphic novels, comic books, Ollie's usually sells those books for really cheap. One of them I noticed was $30 at Barnes and Noble, the Thanos book that I was looking at. I know I saw that at Ollie's. I'm gonna check the price, but usually they're no more than like 10 or 15 bucks. So. Okay, so I had a pretty good day. Going to the dentist is never fun, but she got it over with. She was a trooper, and she got a couple little Disney prizes. So with all that being said, we're out, and always remember, the adventure is out there.